Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn on order updates on Temu. So first open Temu app. Next at the bottom, tap on you or your profile icon. Now once you do that, at the top right, click on the settings gear icon. Next tap on notifications. Now here you have a lot of options. You have promotions, order updates, chat messages, customers activity, avatar and username sharing. Now what you need to do is to go to order updates and click on edit. So here, look for push and toggle it on. So if it turns into orange, that means it's turned on. You can also toggle the email on, just like that. So this will send alerts when order is confirmed, item is shipped, package is out for delivery, and item is delivered. So if you're using Android, you can open phone settings, go to apps, tap on Temu and tap notifications and turn on allow notifications. So without this, Temu cannot push order alerts even if app settings are enabled. You can also do that on iPhone. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.